We have installed a diffuser, an air diffuser. So the air from the PIV will create a positive pressure. It'll blow the air basically in the house, filter it in the attic, blow it into the house. So you have then clean, fresh, filtered air being driven into the house. There's four sides basically. The four sides are open, and in a tight hallway. Doesn't come into play here. Possibly off the back of this we could put an air deflector in. So instead of deflecting the air down against this wall, it would put it out the three sides. In this instance we'll leave it completely clear because the bedroom, 3 bedrooms here, you want to get as much airflow around those 3 bedrooms as possible. So the PIV diffuser dropped into the hallway, purposely dropped into the hallway. You don't want to put it in the bedrooms because on the coldest night of the year, if you're blowing air into the hallway, it's getting it round the house. And if people do feel that it's cool in the hallway, then they can go in, close the doors, and they're comfortable in the bedrooms. Then in the morning time, then they open the doors up again and it starts to get the air flowing again. So PIV diffuser fully installed in the hallway.